the first time you were able to successfully ride a two-wheeled bike, you could experience the same feeling again with this unusual model. The bike is equipped with two handlebars, and the rear axle is exactly the same as the front one. The bike is minimalistic and doesn't even have a gear shift, so it's easy to handle. But for fans of tricks, this model is a godsend. If you master it, you can ride backwards and sideways and come up with other impressive ways of riding this bike. The model is designed to be as versatile as possible. It's suitable for riders up to about 6 feet tall and up to 220 pounds. The price tag starts at $347. This skateboard stands out for its two 10-inch inflatable wheels and a powerful motor that allows it to accelerate up to 30 miles per hour. According to its creators, the model can actually go faster, and this limitation is a safety measure. In addition, less load on the engine means more riding distance. One charge is enough for 16 to 24 miles, depending on your riding style. The frame of the skateboard is made of aircraft-grade aluminium, the deck of polycarbonate. Because of this, it can support up to 250 pounds of load while weighing only 26 pounds. The creators strongly recommend buying protection and keeping in mind that this kind of vehicle should be taken seriously. The cost starts at $2,000. Here is the winner of the Delsbo Electric 2019, a competition for the most energy-efficient vehicle. The conditions of the contest were simple. The vehicle had to travel 2.09 miles, carrying the equivalent weight of 6 people. The speed wasn't important, as energy efficiency was the main priority. This model managed to reach an impressive result. The energy contained in 1 teaspoon of gasoline was enough for 47 miles. Interestingly, this was not the first record for the Eximus team. They've been raising the bar since 2016. What these guys have done is a potential game changer for rail travel, one jury member rightly remarked. How can you improve a touring boat? Easy. Just add the ability to move underwater. The Project Platypus is designed for resorts, and what tourist would refuse to ride it? The secret of this design is that you can transfer part of the boat into the underwater position in just a couple of seconds. 5 people can enjoy the beauty of the ocean. The speed in this mode is about 3.5 miles per hour. Controls don't change much, so the captain doesn't even need to leave their seat. The only difference is that they'd have to use the built-in digital periscope to maneuver the boat. The boat is also equipped with an oxygen system and more usual options, such as an onboard computer and a radio. And here is a vehicle for people who like to ride in pairs. The trike is very unusual and has a clever engineering solution. Each rider has an independent transmission. This allows each user to pedal at any pace, or not to pedal at all. According to the idea, you can assemble this DIY trike from parts of ordinary bicycles, as well as minimal sets of pipes and fasteners. The only tools you'll need are a welder, a drill, and a grinder. The detailed assembly plan costs $20, and the creator assures that the trike is very stable and suitable for riding in all seasons. 15 gears, the ability to replace the back seat with a cargo platform, and a wide scope for modifications and tuning sounds good. Would you like to build one? What should city bikes be like? At the very least, they should be compact, lightweight, and stylish. All of these features are combined in this concept prototype, invented in the UK. The bike has a surprising rear hubless wheel. According to the author, this design not only looks great, but is easy enough to maintain. Besides, DIY enthusiasts must be very excited, as there's enough room for an engine to fit in the rear wheel. The belt drive has been used, so the bike doesn't require lubrication and works quieter. And thanks to the combination of wheels of different sizes, the model is so compact that the folding mechanism is simply unnecessary. A Lithuanian team offers another, a bit more serious trike. According to them, this prototype offers a completely new way of riding and resembles an airplane in its piloting style. Because of this, each buyer will have to take a special course. Plus, in many countries, they'll also need a motorcycle license. According to current information, the maximum speed will be 143 miles per hour and the range 185 miles. It weighs 925 pounds and is battery-powered. It can accommodate 2 people inside. According to the team, the main goal of working with this prototype is to fine-tune the various systems and other engineering stuff. We look forward to the final result. This moped with a gearbox and without a bicycle drive was produced by Honda in Japan in the 1980s. According to the idea, this tiny vehicle had to complement the capabilities of a personal car, allowing you, for example, to go around a campsite or to the store. When folded, the model shrinks to a size of 47 by 9 by 21 inches, so it's easy to fit in the trunk. It can go up to 19 miles per hour, and the tank holds 0.6 gallons. The price at the start of sales was around 80,000 yen, so at the current exchange rate is $628. The quality proved to be quite high, with many examples successfully surviving to this day and being sold on various internet platforms. Here is a 3-wheeled electric scooter created by Chinese engineers. It accelerates up to 31 miles per hour and can travel up to 85 miles on a single battery charge. The scooter is smart as it's equipped with a digital display and can connect to smartphones. The mobile app is very useful. For example, it will track the location of the scooter via GPS and give a signal if someone tries to steal it. You can also check the battery status in real time. There are 2 of them in the set. You can take them off to charge them at home, and one battery weighs about 20 pounds. And fans of shopping trips can buy a set of cases and get extra luggage space. Next in line is a vehicle for those who like to spectacularly go into a controlled drift and do donuts. This electric drifter, designed by engineers from India, has a limited ground clearance, so it's not suitable for unpaved roads. But on asphalt or concrete, the 175-pound vehicle will show all the power of its 750-watt engine. The model accelerates up to 12 miles per hour, and the battery lasts for 19 miles. According to the developers, it will fit perfectly on go-kart tracks, game areas, amusement parks, and even in future smart cities. Riders are promised instant acceleration and unsurpassed thrill, as well as electronic protection against engine overload, the ability to run diagnostics, and remotely control the vehicle through an app. The price of the vehicle is about $2,000. This trike will be of interest to a wider audience, especially since pre-orders are already open. The main focus is on the Arkimoto technology, thanks to which the bike is able to tilt in corners just like 2-wheeled bicycles. The creators note that technically this is an e-bike, but riding it gives you a unique experience. There are several reasons for this. Firstly, it's a 3-wheel drive model, and you can control the traction on each wheel separately. Secondly, the pedals are not connected to the wheel drive, they charge the battery. So if necessary, the trike can easily replace an exercise bike. The planned range is more than 200 miles, with a planned market launch in Q4 2022. A $100 deposit is required to place a pre-order. Over the last 10 years, the classic skateboard design has been steadily changing. To put it simply, every manufacturer is trying to offer customers something special and distinctive. Soul Arc boards are no exception. They came up with this electric skateboard. The company knows that their product is not the first one on the market, so they emphasize the unique feel of the ride. Thanks to a special spring, they managed to kill two birds with one stone. It provides better cushioning than their competitors, and it offers customers a smoother ride and the feeling of soaring over the road. The model accelerates up to 25 miles per hour and is capable of riding 15 miles, a ride unlike any other, the manufacturer claims. Would you like to try it out?
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.